Have you ever wondered how voice AI could transform your business? It's just a passing trend or a real tool for boosting sales and customer satisfaction? In this episode, I'm taking you on a journey through 3 specific industries where voice AI made a huge difference, and we are not talking small wins.
5? Well, that's absolutely correct.
Why, he's almost human.
Hi, I'm Domi from AutoM. Our agency specializes in automation and artificial intelligence. We help companies like yours implement modern technologies that truly improve performance and optimize processes. If you're looking for a way to bring voice AI into your business and want to see how others are doing it, you're in the right place. Today I show you how companies from 3 completely different worlds, welding training, real estate and insurance, use voice AI to increase sales, cut service time and build stronger customer relationships. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with the star of our story, a company offering welding training. At first glance, it's a niche technical field with customers who ask very specific questions. Will this course qualify me to work in Scandinavia? What's the exam like? How much does it cost? Implementing a voice AI assistant powered by OpenAI real-time API brought this company to a whole new level. Instead of hiring another consultant, they deployed an intelligent voice assistant that could hold conversations almost like a human. And even though each call cost, the results spoke for themselves. Over a 30% increase in course registrations, fewer cancellations and a flood of positive reviews. Personalization, empathy and real-time accurate responses, that's the winning formula in vocational education. Next, we have a real estate agency in London. Imagine this. 1 apartment and 50 inquiries a day. Each one slightly different, but not really. Customers were asking about viewing time, rent prices, lease conditions and even whether the kitchen had a dishwasher. Traditionally, an agent handled all of that, but after implementing voice AI, things changed. Now clients could call anytime, even at 11 p.m. and the AI would respond, pulling from up-to-the-date listings, synced with calendars and even scheduled viewings. The result? 62% faster inquiry handling, fewer mistakes and more time to close deals. The technology didn't replace the agent, it let them be exactly where they were truly needed. And finally, the insurance sector. At first glance, very formal, yet full of emotion. Someone just bought a car, wants to insure it, but has no time for forms. That's where a voice AI steps in. The customer says, I want insurance for 6 months. The AI asks for vehicle details, presents 3 tailored options and closes the sale. No clicking, no waiting. In one case, an insurance company that implemented our solution saw a 40% increase in conversions during even hours when human agents were offline. Customers were pleasantly surprised. Instead of please hold for the next available operator, they heard, thank you, your policy has been sent to your email. 3 different industries, 1 common thread, voice AI as the silent hero getting the job done behind the scenes and helping companies grow faster, smarter and more effectively. As you can see, voice AI isn't the future, it's the present, already transforming how businesses communicate with their customers. Regardless of what industry, whether offering vocational training, rental properties or selling insurance, you can leverage this technology to work faster, smarter and more effectively. And it's not about replacing people with robots. It's about giving your team the tools to focus on what truly matters: relationships, strategy and growth. Voice AI doesn't sleep, doesn't take days off and doesn't get lost in spreadsheets. It's ready 24/7 to support your business exactly where you need it most. At AutoM, we believe companies like yours move from we'd like to it works and bring result. Our team of experts will help you choose the right technology, implement it and measure its real impact on your business. If you feel that voice AI could accelerate your company's growth, get in touch with us. And if you want to more real-life example, make sure to subscribe to this channel and stick around. See you in the next episode where technology meets practice.